Want to personalize your iPhone home screen with useful and stylish widgets? Adding and customizing widgets is a breeze. Hi, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to add and customize widgets on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, long press on the empty space on your home screen. Tap on the plus icon from the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down and see all the available widgets. If you want something specific for your widgets, you can search for it by using the search bar at the top. Now, tap on the widget that you like. Here, you can choose the widget size and tap on the Add Widget option. You can drag the widget and place it where you want it on your home screen. Once you are satisfied with the placement, tap on the Done button in the top right corner of your screen to save the changes. And this is how you can add and customize widgets on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.